Let's create loading state in this video. How beautiful it is, right? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let's get started. So here's my artboard, but I will tell you how to create it from scratch. So the first thing we need to do is create the flower like this. And to create it quick and easy, we need to create two circles, the big one and the small one. The small one here, I will change the color so we can easy to see it, the second one, and put it in the middle in the center of the first one. And now we create the rectangle here. I will go with the size 30-75. Here I will change the rounded corner of the rectangle to 100. You see here, yes. Next, I will change color of the first circle for purpose of contrast color. So now we will duplicate the first one by Command D, and then turn the degree to -45 degree. Yes, and then duplicate more the third one to -90 degree. Yeah, the easy and quick way now is we just hold with the press on the option and drag it, this one down, this one into the left. Okay, we need to create one more rectangle. Here we just duplicate it and turn it to 135 and then drag. Delete two circles. So now we have the flower we want. I am making the color of the state loading from dark to light. Yes, we will do that consistent. The next step is create the frame, and you don't need this frame have a background, so just delete it, delete the background, and put whole flower in the center of that frame. And now we make this group to the component. Interactive component is play an important role in our designs. We will create total like 8 flowers. That means we need 7 variants. Okay, sure. So now we have to change the color, the dark, the change. So the dark one is now in the right side here, and we continue to change the rest of other rectangle consistent with all of them. The third one, the dark, will need to lay here. That's one. Okay. Continue to do the rest of the rectangle on the third one. We do very similar to the rest of other component. So the important step now is prototype. We will click on the after delay and just 1 millisecond, only 1 millisecond, and make sure you choose smart animate. Okay, we will do the same with all of the component. Yes, just 1 millisecond. And on the last one, we will make the interaction with the first one, and with the same, just 1 millisecond and smart animate. So now we will create the frame of the phone, whatever size phone you want. Let's see, let's pick this one, change to dark mode, and create the rectangle with the light background here. So now I will write the please here, yes, and then I will go access to drag. The flower is too big, we can go to scale to change, press shift and change the size you want. Just put it here, a little adjust position. Okay, it look nice. Let's see. Boom! Wow, it's perfect. It looks so real. Okay guys, bye bye and see you in the next videos.